Are you tired of shelling out hundreds of dollars for Microsoft Office? What if I told you there's a powerful, free alternative that can do everything Office can, and more? In this video, we'll dive into 8 compelling reasons why LibreOffice might just be the better choice for you. Reason number 1, price. You can't beat free. Let's start with the most obvious, price. LibreOffice is completely free and open source, meaning you don't have to pay a dime to use it. Unlike Microsoft Office, which requires a pricey subscription, LibreOffice provides all the essential tools you need without breaking the bank. Reason number 2, compatibility with multiple formats. Second on our list is compatibility. LibreOffice handles a wide range of file formats, including Microsoft's own Doc, XLSX, and PPTX. It's versatile enough to open and edit almost any document you throw at it. So, if you're dealing with a variety of file types, LibreOffice has got your back. Reason number 3, open source flexibility. LibreOffice is open source, meaning anyone can contribute to its development, ensuring rapid updates and a wide range of features. Plus, if you're into coding, you can even customize LibreOffice to your liking. With Microsoft Office, what you see is what you get, no behind-the-scenes tinkering. Reason number 4, lightweight. You'll notice faster load times and smoother performance, even on devices that might struggle with Microsoft Office. Reason number 5, strong privacy and no ads. Privacy concerns? LibreOffice has your back. Unlike Microsoft Office, which often integrates cloud services and ads, LibreOffice respects your privacy with no ads, no data tracking, and no unnecessary cloud integration. Your work stays on your terms. Reason number 6, no internet required. LibreOffice works perfectly offline. No need to worry about an internet connection to access your documents or use the software. Microsoft Office, especially the 365 version, often requires online access for full functionality, which can be a hassle if you're off the grid. Reason number 7, community-driven development. LibreOffice is constantly evolving, thanks to a dedicated community of developers and contributors. This means regular updates, innovative features, and a responsive support network, all driven by users like you. Finally, reason number 8, cross-platform availability. LibreOffice runs smoothly on Windows, macOS, and Linux, giving you the freedom to work on whatever platform you prefer. With Microsoft Office, you're often locked into one ecosystem, but LibreOffice breaks down those barriers. Summary: so there you have it, 8 powerful reasons why LibreOffice tops Microsoft Office. Whether you're looking to save money, customize your experience, or protect your privacy, LibreOffice offers a robust, no-cost alternative that's worth considering. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks.